Good afternoon. We're here again with another episode of Todd Talks. We're here at world headquarters of B&B Manufacturing in the Fort, Indiana. We're expanding our footprint here. You can see that we're taking a footprint of 100,000 square feet, about 55 acres, and we're going to expand it to another 150,000 square foot. We're excavating for that right now, as you can see the equipment in the background. Put it up in tiny 50,000 square foot increment blocks. And the first one that's going to go up is going to go this year. It's going to be for our product expansion that we're going to have later this year, so stay tuned for that. But B&B's growing, not only here, but we just added another facility in Belmont, North Carolina. We acquired Diversified Specialties. They're now part of the B&B family. So we have 5 North American locations. It's Fort, Indiana, Rochester, Indiana, Minnesota, Shimano, Canada, that's Toronto Beer Works, and then also Belmont, North Carolina. So stay tuned. A lot's going on with B&B.